The UltraQ controller has several visual indicators to help you cook the best barbecue you can. Here's what to look for and how to read these visual indicators. Begin by plugging in the pit probe. Next, insert the food probe, followed by the fan. Before powering your controller, be sure to assemble the power pack correctly. Align the key for the positive and negative leads between the power pack body and the cable plug to ensure correct configuration. Improper assembly may result in permanent damage to your device. After powering your controller, each probe's corresponding LED will illuminate on the UltraQ to indicate that the probes are seated correctly into the jacks. If any of the probe LEDs do not illuminate, the probe may be faulty. The UltraQ's outer ring will illuminate in the following 4 conditions to indicate the current pit status at a glance. When beginning a cook, the UltraQ's outer ring will be a solid blue until the pit comes up to the Smart Cook strategy range. Once the pit reaches its Smart Cook strategy range, the outer ring will turn solid red. If the sides pulse red, it means that the pit fan is blowing to warm the coals up and keep the pit temperature in the target set point range. If the controller's entire outer ring is pulsing red continuously, it means that the pit temperature is above the set deviation range. When this happens, the cook should be adjusted to return to the correct cook range. In addition to the outer ring indicators, the UltraQ screen displays current pit temperature and up to 3 food temperatures. You can cycle through the temperature probe display 2 ways: by manually pressing the select button on the side of the controller or enacting scan mode. While the outer ring will always be either blue or red to indicate pit temperature, the tail will change color to match the LED indicator of the currently selected probe. When the tail is red, the screen will display the current pit temperature. When the tail is yellow, Food 1's temperature is displayed. When the tail is green, the temperature of Food 2 is displayed. When the tail is blue, the temperature is Food 3. To continuously cycle through the temperature displays, press and hold the down button for 2 seconds to turn on scan mode. When the UltraQ is in scan mode, the screen will cycle the display every 2 seconds. If your controller's outer ring is blinking rapidly and the display shows this error, it means that the pit probe isn't connected. This is a safety feature, so the fan will not run unless a pit probe is inserted. All you need to do is readjust the pit probe and you're good to keep on cooking. If only your controller's audio alarm goes off, this means that either there is a food probe error or that the cook has reached the done food temperature. Press the select button to silence the alarm. Both visual and audio alarms can be modified or turned off completely in the mobile app.